How to log into your Discover credit card online. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how to easily log into your Discover credit card online. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Now, let us jump right in. First thing first, open up your web browser and then simply search for Discover Credit Card Login, and you'll find this portal right here. All you have to do is click on the first link and it will directly take you to the login portal. Or what you can also do is open the official website for Discover Credit Card, and from there you'll have an option to log in, like this one. This is the Account Center login. So here you'll have to provide your user ID and password. So go ahead and enter your user ID and then simply enter your password. Now, if you want the browser to remember your user ID for future use, you can check this box and then simply tap on login. And if all of your login credentials are correct, then you should be easily able to log into your account. But in case if you've forgotten your user ID or your password, you can click here to recover your user ID or password by providing your other credentials like email or phone number. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.